vortex turbine. The construction of a large number of hydropower plants around the world has been of great benefit to humanity. Today, they produce about 85% of the world's renewable energy. However, the problem is that traditional ways of turning water energy into electricity are quite expensive and require the construction of a large dam. In addition, transporting energy from the dam to urban areas is also quite expensive. Specialists from the Belgian company Turbulent Hydro have devised a simpler, more efficient and cost-effective way of obtaining electricity. It is an innovative vortex turbine that can be installed close to any river, in a place where there is a slight natural change in height. It can also be installed in a channel with running water. The turbine is installed in an opening on the side of the water body. Once installed, the turbine will generate electricity 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. By the way, this is another feature of the unique system. The operation doesn't depend on the climate or the time of day, as it happens with solar or wind energy. The technology is based on the use of the whirlpool, which occurs naturally in the turbine. One of these facilities is enough to supply electricity to 60 houses. It should be noted that this equipment is harmless to fish and other inhabitants of the rivers. The low pressure inside the mechanism allows them to swim through the system. The installation of the unit takes only 1 week, while the useful life of this concrete pool is up to 100 years. Today, there are a few such turbines in the world, 2 in Chile, 1 in Belgium, and 1 in Indonesia. The turbine you see on the screen is located in the Chilean city of Donyue. Swagbot. Robots gradually penetrate all spheres of human life. We're already used to the fact that they help in factories and plants. It's quite possible that in the near future, we'll have to get used to their help in agriculture too, because there is already a robot capable of coping with the work of a farmer. So far, however, it's just a prototype called the Swagbot. The idea belongs to the engineers at the Australian Centre for Field Robotics at the University of Sydney. It was first shown in 2016, when Swagbot became the world's first automatic shepherd. The fact is that pastures for cattle and sheep in Australia are often in remote and inaccessible areas. Swagbot was used instead of a sheepdog, and the person in charge could control it with a remote control. To allow the robot to move through difficult and rough terrain, each wheel had a separate drive. The result was a maneuverable machine capable of moving the herd from one pasture to another, helping livestock overcome gullies and other obstacles. In 2018, Swagbot was upgraded and engineers added computer vision to the robot. All this so that it can cope with a large number of tasks. For example, the machine can now find weeds in the field and spray them with herbicides. Surprisingly, unlike other automated systems designed to eliminate weeds, Swagbot is not attached to any particular location, so it can work anywhere you need. Vortex bladeless turbines. Today we've already talked about renewable energies, and we mentioned that hydroelectric power stations are the most common source of energy. The second place in this industry goes to wind energy, i.e. the conversion of kinetic energy from air into electricity. Modern people are not surprised anymore by wind turbines, installed almost everywhere in the world, but this doesn't mean that the wind energy industry has nothing more to show off. Here we have a very original wind turbine with a unique and innovative design. Its difference from all the others is that it has no blades. This design was developed by specialists from the Spanish company Vortex Bladeless. The blades are the most fragile part of the generator, and their breakage causes the loss of functionality of the entire installation. In addition, they can freeze over, which reduces the efficiency of the operation. The Vortex bladeless turbine looks like a long inverted cone. Electricity is generated by oscillation, and the cone generates swirls of air as it moves. Thus, the vibratory energy is converted into electricity. However, the Vortex bladeless turbines differ from traditional wind turbines not only in their appearance. The absence of parts that are difficult and costly to maintain makes them an economical alternative. In addition, this generator has a quick and simple installation procedure. Compared to a conventional wind turbine, the procedure is 50% cheaper too. They can even be installed in urban areas as they don't inconvenience people. Aqua cutter. People started using water jets as a cutting or demolition tool in the 1930s. Since then, the equipment has been constantly improved, and every few years, new machines appear on the market that take material processing to a new level. In this case, we want to show you the series of hydro demolition robots Aqua Cutter, manufactured by the Swedish company Aquajet Systems AB. These are three machines that differ in size and therefore in power. The equipment is fitted with a rubber casing in the working area, which provides better acoustic insulation and protects the surrounding area from splashes. The sides of the casing are detachable, so you can work in the corners between the horizontal and vertical surfaces. The smallest robot model has a working height of 3 meters. The most powerful model is suitable for all types of hydro demolition, both on horizontal and vertical surfaces, up to 10 meters tall. This equipment is designed for the treatment of concrete in order to repair bridges, overpasses, dams, tunnels, and other similar structures. Aircraft washing system. In 2018, the Norwegian company MSG Production introduced the world's first automatic washing and antifreeze treatment system for aircraft. Previously, these tasks were performed by people, and it took 4 to 8 hours to clean an airplane, despite the fact that between 8 and 10 people did the job. Since it's recommended to wash the airplanes once or twice a month, it's not difficult to imagine that all these numerous procedures were very expensive. Systems like the one you see on the screen should make the job easier and reduce the cost. All the elements of the washing system can be carefully adjusted, so that with the help of the system, it's possible to clean any model of aircraft. Water jets moving in different directions gently but effectively clean the surface of the aircraft of dirt and bituminous mastic. The procedure takes much less time than the traditional one carried out by people. In addition, the system can be used to clean the engine. The antifreeze treatment by the washing system is also carried out in a much shorter time than the manual treatment. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.